Welcome to Battle of the Best. The best henna tattoo is probably one of the most captivating and ancient forms of body art, offering a temporary yet intricate way to express your style without the permanence of traditional ink, making it a fantastic choice for festivals, special occasions, or simply experimenting with new looks that can easily fade away. Number 5. Koogel Henna Tattoo Stencil Kit. Discover the Koogel Henna Tattoo Stencil Kit, a fantastic way to express your creativity. This kit provides everything you need for beautiful body art. With 18 sheets and 97 unique designs, you'll have endless possibilities. These Mendi templates are also reusable, offering great value. It's ideal for bridal Mendi, adding an elegant touch to weddings. You can also stand out at music festivals with stunning temporary tattoos. Planning an Indian wedding or a bachelorette party? This kit is perfect for adding a fun, artistic element to your celebrations. Get ready for summer with beautiful body art that's easy to apply. It helps you create intricate designs effortlessly. Designed for women, girls, and kids, this kit offers a safe and enjoyable way to experiment with temporary tattoos. Everyone can join the fun. What we like? This kit stands out with its extensive collection of reusable stencils, offering a wide variety of designs for any occasion. If you are looking for versatility and value, allowing you to experiment with many different looks without constant repurchasing, this is your go-to. It's perfect for those who love to frequently change their body art for various events or just for fun. What people say. No positive reviews with details could be extracted as the source JSON was empty. No positive reviews with details could be extracted as the source JSON was empty. Number 4. Temporary Tattoo Kit. Unleash your creativity with our temporary tattoo kit. It's perfect for adults and teens looking to express themselves without commitment. This comprehensive kit provides everything you need. You'll find a variety of vibrant inks and easy-to-use stencils. Designed with your comfort in mind, this kit is skin-friendly. You can enjoy beautiful designs without irritation. Explore a spectrum of colors including black, red, brown, green, purple, blue, and orange. Mix and match to create unique looks. Whether you're an adult or a teen, applying these temporary tattoos is simple and fun. Transform your look in minutes. What we like? What makes this kit special is its vibrant array of multiple ink colors, giving you endless creative possibilities beyond traditional henna. If you want to add a pop of color to your temporary tattoos and ensure a safe application for sensitive skin, this kit is an excellent choice. It's ideal for creative individuals who enjoy experimenting with different hues and prioritize skin safety. What people say. Number 3. MuseLuxe Temporary Tattoo Stencils Kit. Discover endless creativity with this comprehensive temporary tattoo kit. It provides everything you need to express your unique style. Explore a vast collection of 126 diverse stencils. These designs cater to every taste, ensuring you'll find the perfect look for any occasion. This kit comes with 6 tubes of high-quality ink in 2 popular colors, rich brown and classic black. They allow for versatile designs and vibrant results. Create stunning body art effortlessly and safely. It includes gloves for a clean application, making the process simple and mess-free for everyone. Perfect for women, men, adults, and kids alike, this kit offers a fun and temporary way to experiment with body art. Share the joy of creativity with your whole family. What we like? This kit offers an incredible number of stencils, providing a massive selection for all preferences, along with essential accessories like gloves. If you are a DIY enthusiast who loves having a vast library of designs to choose from and appreciates a complete, ready-to-use package, this is definitely for you. It's perfect for families or groups who want to share and create many unique temporary tattoos together. What people say. Number 2. Zenia 6-pack Natural Henna Paste Hair Color. Discover Zenia's premium henna paste. It offers a beautiful, natural way to color your hair. Formulated with only natural ingredients, this product ensures a gentle coloring experience. You can trust it for a chemical-free application. No mixing required, it comes ready to use straight from the cone. Applying it is simple and convenient for everyone. Each pack contains 6 easy-to-handle cones, perfect for multiple applications or touch-ups. These cones make precise application a breeze. Achieve a stunning reddish-brown shade that enhances your natural beauty. This color provides a vibrant and long-lasting result. Experience vibrant color and healthy-looking hair with this natural solution. It's the perfect choice for a radiant transformation. What we like. This product stands out as a natural hair color solution, specifically designed for dyeing hair with a beautiful reddish-brown hue. If you are looking for a chemical-free way to color your hair and prefer the convenience of ready-to-use cones, this is an excellent option. It's best suited for those who want to embrace natural beauty treatments and achieve a warm, earthy hair tone. What people say. Number 1. Zenia Natural Tattoo Paste Cone. Discover the beauty of temporary body art with this natural paste. It's perfect for creating stunning designs without commitment. Crafted from pure, natural ingredients, it ensures a safe and gentle experience for your skin. You can trust its quality for beautiful results. Each cone contains 25 grams of paste, designed for easy and precise application. Simply draw your desired patterns and let it dry. Whether for traditional Indian body art, drawing tattoos, or even creating temporary freckles, it offers endless possibilities. Express yourself freely with its versatile nature. Enjoy a beautiful reddish-brown color that stands out elegantly on any skin tone. It provides a vibrant and authentic look for your designs. What we like. This single cone offers a pure, natural henna paste, perfect for intricate body art or even creating temporary freckles. If you need a high-quality, natural paste for detailed freehand designs or specific small applications, this is your ideal choice. It's perfect for artists or individuals who appreciate traditional henna application and desire a rich, reddish-brown result. What people say. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.